Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen gadget that promises to elevate your food prep game, the OXO Good Grips Precision Handheld Mandoline Slicer. We found this innovative tool online, and we've added a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? The OXO Good Grips Mandoline Slicer is a handheld vegetable slicer designed for precision and versatility in your everyday cooking. It features an adjustable thickness mechanism, allowing you to create slices that range from paper thin to extra thick. Whether you're preparing a salad, stir-fry, or a veggie platter, this mandoline is your go-to tool for consistent, professional-looking results. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features. One of the most impressive aspects of this slicer is its precision slicing control. With 5 cutting options, julienne, thin, medium, thick, and extra thick, you can achieve the exact slice you need for any recipe. This flexibility makes it an ideal choice for anyone who loves to experiment with different textures in their dishes. Another feature that sets the OXO Mandoline apart is its compact design. Unlike bulkier food processors or stand-alone slicers, this handheld device is slim and easy to store, ensuring it won't take up valuable counter space in your kitchen. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after your cooking session. Safety is always a priority in the kitchen, and this mandoline comes equipped with built-in finger protection. The automatic, height-adjustable food holder applies even pressure to your ingredients while keeping your hands safe from the blade. When you're done slicing, this food holder stores neatly underneath the mandoline, so you won't have to worry about losing it. Another practical feature is the clear slicing visibility. The transparent runway allows you to see your ingredients as they glide over the blade, making it easier to achieve that perfect slice without any guesswork. Whether you're slicing onions for a caramelized topping or cucumbers for a refreshing salad, you'll appreciate the accuracy this feature provides. Now, who is this slicer suitable for? If you're a home cook who enjoys preparing fresh vegetables or fruits, this tool is a fantastic addition to your kitchen arsenal. It's also perfect for anyone who values efficiency and precision in their cooking. If you're a busy parent looking to whip up healthy meals for your family or a culinary enthusiast wanting to impress guests with beautifully arranged dishes, you'll love the versatility this mandoline brings to your food prep. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine hosting a dinner party where you need to slice a variety of vegetables for a colorful salad. With this mandoline, you can quickly create perfectly uniform slices of bell peppers, radishes, and zucchini, all within minutes. Or, if you're preparing a homemade ratatouille, the ability to switch between julienne and thicker slices can help you achieve the right texture and presentation. You can even use it to create delicious potato chips or gratins, making it a versatile tool that can adapt to many recipes. In conclusion, the OXO Good Grips Precision Handheld Mandoline Slicer is a compact, efficient, and safe tool that delivers precision and versatility for anyone looking to simplify their food prep. Whether you're an experienced chef or a novice cook, this slicer can help you achieve professional results in your kitchen with ease. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.